Hi, it's Neil from Mighty Little Green Machine. Today we're going to do something a little different. Today I'm out doing my real job in Minnesota, and we are setting up our tool hauler, which we take around and show all the tools. And I wanted to show you some of our new MEGAMOD sets that you can see kind of behind me on this image. But we have them all in the truck. They're really neat. They have all the tools and foams, and they're all organized, and they're just some great options. So I thought I'd take a chance to go through them today and show you anything else new that I come across on the truck. Let's get started. So we're just getting started setting up. It's early in the morning, but this is what the truck looks like when all the stuff's off it. And you can see it's a good way for us to show all the different types of tools that we sell. So we have all our different 90 tooth, 120 tooth ratchets, all the different types of sockets, and the wrenches. There's my office, and there's the back where the MEGAMODs are, and then I'll show you everything outside. Okay, so here's what the outside looks like. We're giving this away to sweepstakes. We're set up here in a parking lot in Mississippi. Okay, so here's the whole lineup. I'll show you them all. That's our MEGAMOD MRO. It has 614 pieces of tools and foams. And the next one up is the MEGAMOD Pro, which has 791. And then we go to the MEGAMOD 873, which, yes, has 873 pieces. That's a 41 top and bottom. That's a 27 top and bottom. Then we go up to our MEGAMOD 1024, which is a 54 bottom, but it also comes with the cart, a work table, the tractor seat, the tools and the foams, 2 rechargeable lights, and an electronic torque wrench. And then our largest set, which is a 72-inch box, 24 inches deep, is a MEGAMOD 1268. Yes, 1,268 pieces. That comes with the tools, the foams, the toolbox, that 4-drawer cart, the tractor seat, the work table, 2 rechargeable lights, and the electronic torque wrench. Very complete sets. Okay, so this is the first one, the MEGAMOD MRO. This is 613 pieces of tools in the foam. Every drawer's got tools in it. There's your bit set, screwdrivers, pliers, mid sockets, flex head ratcheting wrenches, static wrenches, more static wrenches, flex head, reversible ratcheting and regular straight ratcheting and stubby ratcheting, half-inch drive, 3/8 and quarter. And we already did the bits, so this set, and then on the side here, you got a place to put your chargers for your battery tools, place to lock your battery tools up. So this is what we call our MEGAMOD 791. It's 791 pieces of toolbox, tools, and foams. Every single drawer is full of something different. These are our bolt lighters. If you watched my video a few months ago, there are different types of extractors. And then each drawer has a different set of foams and tools. It's kind of like an instant toolkit, just add water. You can see we got all types of sockets. It's got quarter, 3/8 and half. It's got flex sockets. It's got shallow, mid, and deep. So this is a 27-inch top and bottom. This is the second in line. The MEGAMOD MRO, which I showed you guys earlier, is the smallest of the sets and was the original sets. These are all new. See, we got ratchets in there, all different sizes, extensions. got our signs we haven't put up yet. So as you can see, it's a real complete tool set. And that's the MEGAMOD Pro, 791 tool pieces. And this is the GearWrench 41 top and bottom. It's the MEGAMOD 873. So this has got tools in almost all the drawers. Those don't go with it. We got some empty drawers to add stuff. These foams are the upgraded foams as well with the hard silver. And as each set goes up to more tools, and this one has 873 pieces, we add more depth. There's the bit set. Metric. 1/4-inch sockets. Static wrenches and Allen heads, or Allen keys. Pliers. That's 3/8 inch. And that's the bolt biter extractors. So this one's the MEGAMOD 1024. This is a 54-inch box with almost with 1,024 pieces of tools. This has also got the upgraded foams. There's your bolt biters again, pliers. Torque screwdrivers. Flathead screwdrivers. Impact and 1/4-inch drive. 3/8 and more bits. Phillips head screwdrivers. Those are the 2 rechargeable lights it comes with. There's your wrenches and your Allen keys and more 1/4-inch. There's your straight up, and then these are stacked because this comes with the tool cart, as I showed you earlier, and you'd put those in the tool cart. Okay, so this is our MEGAMOD 1268. And I just showed you in the other thing that it comes with the cart and all that stuff as well. But then you have, now these are a different foam. These are an upgraded foam. These come in these have a hard plastic shell on them, so they're a little easier to clean. But the same thing, most of the drawers on this are full with tools. You've got all the different types of wrenches. Goes up to 1 3/4 inches in size. Those are all Phillips. Those are all Torques. Those are all flathead. Bit set with a driver. Oh, almost fell over. So in here you've got 1/4-inch sockets. Half-inch sockets. Our S wrenches and our C wrenches, plus crow's feet. This is more 1/4-inch stuff. Impact sockets. There's the torque wrench, bolt biters, more impact extensions. There's 1/2-inch. Your bits. And more bits still. And there's the 2 lights it comes with. So as you can see, a nice overall package. It's got most everything you need.
I hope you enjoyed this tour behind the scenes and checking out the new MEGAMOD tool sets. I really do think that they're some of the most innovative and best options on the market right now. If you have any questions, you can let me know below in the comments. These are all they're all available at Napa Auto Parts. So I enjoyed taking you for the little tour. We'll be back outside on Saturday. I hope you all have a great night. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.